We are CL2B, an enable code. CL2B is circular economy advisory firm in Vietnam, and enable code creates sustainable technology carrier for Vietnamese with disability. And we all know Vietnam is one of the biggest ocean plastic polluter because the ineffective waste management system starting with no data is available. The unavailability of data and information is the very first gap of plastic waste management across Asian member states. And with the absence of good quality, we can make assumptions and take decisions on plastic, but there are no effective addressing the problem. We need to have a data baseline to improve the availability and transparency of collected plastic waste.
So the only place to start is a database. Otherwise, there's no actions that can follow. So we collect the data from loads of different sources, from the scavengers and from all the local authorities that are collecting the waste, and then we can do something with it. But the interesting special thing about what we're doing is we already have these systems. Enable Code has 500 people with disabilities and an artificial intelligence that already handles this kind of data. Once the data is into our system, we already are using things like Click for visualization. And with all the data in, we can then find the interesting things about it. And once we have visibility and analysis on the data using AI, AI can then move on to the next step as well of influencing down social media challenges. So we know what the problem is, who it is, what the pattern is, and then we can influence it.
The business model is based on very demand supply because there is no existing data and we need it. For the revenue stream, firstly, it's based on funding and subsidy from government, like producer and foundation like UNDP, WWF to get it started. And later on, it can based on plastic offsetting credit selling to producer who has a need of achieving zero plastic neutral. And to benefit, it's benefit multi-stakeholder to solve plastic problem together, for government to building legal framework, producer to achieve EPR goal, for waste collection, SME very important as they're going to have volume of collected waste, material recognition, pricing and visual statistics. And scavenger and consumer to solve plastic problem together.